In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your Oculus Quest 2 controller if you lost it. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The very first thing that I want to make extremely clear is that unfortunately, there is no built-in Find My Controller or GPS tracking option that you would expect. A lot of devices nowadays, like your smartphone, for example, allow you to easily locate it by using these GPS tracking features. However, this sort of hardware is not implemented in the Oculus Quest controllers or headset. So basically, with that warning out of the way, since there is no actually straightforward way to pinpoint exactly where it is, you will have to find it by simply retracing your steps. I know that this is not what most people want to hear, and for most of you, it isn't actual help, but sadly, that is the harsh reality. You will simply have to do a very thorough physical search. Think carefully about where you were using your Oculus Quest 2 last. Go back to those areas. If you live with someone else, see if they misplaced the controller and try to expand your search. Look under furniture, under cushions, behind curtains, or in any other place where it might easily slip or be hidden. If you have animals, see if they dragged it elsewhere. Like I said, because of the lack of these features, it makes this an extremely problematic thing to do. So I would highly recommend just doing a thorough search, and if you have friends or family to help you do this, ask them to look as well. You can try going into close proximity of them while wearing your headset, but because these controllers are set to go into deep sleep if they aren't touched for an extended period of time, it is unlikely that when you get close to them with your headset that they are going to ping their location, but it is a worthwhile attempt. So put on your headset, walk around the house, and see if you see them light up when you get close. Ensure that the areas that you are searching in are well lit. If everything else fails and you are desperate, you will simply have to purchase an additional set of controllers. So you can go over to the Meta store and purchase them from here. But actually tracing them using these sorts of features is impossible. You simply have to do a physical search, which of course might not be of help because it is what most people expect to do already, but sadly that is the truth. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your Oculus Quest 2 controller if you lost it. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.